Hello and welcome to Heal Charm Shine. Today's video is another video of Timeline Tarot, and today we have success cards. Instead of soulmate cards, we have success cards. So what we are going to do is we are going to shuffle the tarot cards and we are going to find one of these success cards. We have 11 cards over here. All aces, the sun, the emperor, the empress, wheel of fortune, chariot and the world. So any of these success cards are going to help you find out that how much time is needed, how many months are there for us to become successful in any project. Now this can be any work related assignment, any study related assignment, any other important things happening in your life, any other like maybe a healing period or anything which will bring you success. It can also be related to love, so take as it resonates. This is the success cards, not the soulmate cards. So even if we see soulmate cards, we are just going to count them as just another card, and we are going to find in months how many months are there for us to become successful in any aspect, any project which you have in your mind, which you are currently working on, which is currently of a priority for you. So as usual, we have 4 piles over here which are as per the elements. So you can choose as per the elements, as per the pictures. If any picture calls out to you, as per the number, as per the timestamp. And if you don't know which element represents which sign, then just let me refresh that. For earth, the earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, which is number 1. So if you have that in your sun, moon or rising. The fire signs are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the air signs are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So if you have these signs, whatever signs you have in your sun, moon or rising, you can pick as per that, or you can select as per the picture or the element if something calls out to you, or the number. And then let's see when you will get success in whatever you are trying to achieve right now, whatever is of priority for you. Again, the success cards are all aces, the sun, the emperor, the empress, wheel of fortune, the chariot and the world. So there are 11 cards, so more than the soulmate cards, and we'll start with pile number 1. I hope you enjoy this different kind of tarot reading. It is not the typical pick a pile reading. It is more of intuition, kind of more of a fun. It is more fun, it is more lighter than the normal, because we don't go into the meaning of every cards, but we are definitely going to check one oracle card per pile, and we are also going to check stickers to get additional information about this success which is coming in your life. So we'll start with pile number 1, and I hope you enjoy the reading. Welcome, pile 1. You either have Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn in your sun, moon or rising, or you found the image of Earth Guardian attractive, or the number or the timestamp. So take as it resonates, and these are our success card. Let me remind you, if you skipped the intro, the success card which we are going to look for in this tarot timeline is all aces, the sun, the emperor, the empress, wheel of fortune, the chariot and the world. So these are the 7 success cards which we are going to look for, and what we are seeing is how many months it will take for you to find success you're looking for, to find the success you're looking for, be it in your career, in your personal life, in your love, in your relationship, in a project you're working on, in your studies, whatever your personal success is, whatever means success to you, whatever your priority is right now, when exactly are you going to find success in that? That is what we are looking for. And when we reach one of these 11 cards, then we will know that yes, this many months it is required for us to achieve that success. We are also going to look into oracle card, one oracle card for guidance, and we are going to see stickers for further information or to get some additional information about this success you are looking for or you are trying for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle the tarot cards, and I'm going to count cards till we reach one of the success cards. So I hope you understand how the tarot timeline works. We have done this with soulmate cards, soulmate readings, which were purely love related reading, but this includes everything. It can be love, it can be career, it can be studies, whatever is your priority right now, whatever in whatever field you're looking for success right now. So let's see, we have already shuffled this many times. I'm doing it one more time so that we can just count the cards and find when we are getting the success we are looking for. The meaning of these cards don't matter in this. This is a tarot timeline reading, which is a bit of a different reading than the normal pick a card reading. It is more fun, more light-hearted. I enjoy doing this, and I've seen a very good response from you guys as well. So let's see when we are reaching the one of the success cards. And we are talking in months. Yes, the world is our success card over here. The world. So the world. So you might be actually traveling somewhere. Maybe this success is an opportunity, because we have the Three of Wands. Although the meaning of the cards don't matter, but they came coincidentally, they came together. And this talks about overseas opportunity, looking towards a bigger picture, expansion. And we got the world right next to it, and the world is your success card. The world is the card which tells you that maybe you are getting a travel opportunity, or you're getting an overseas job opportunity, or some international level kind of recognition in your work field, in your career field. Or if you are into a long term distance relationship, then maybe you are moving towards your partner, or your partner is moving towards you. So whatever this success is, let's count how many months it will take. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 months, or 7 weeks also it can be for few people, because we are looking only into the current energies. So for few it can also be 7 weeks. So 7 weeks or 7 months it is going to take for you to reach this success. And this is your success card, the world, and it is all about completion. So you might be completing some important project, or some important field in your career, some like maybe you're completing your education in 7 months, or completing an important assignment, or maybe you are working on some creative project like writing a book or writing a song or something which is close to your heart, and that is good, that is being completed in 7 months, or you're getting published or recognized, or an opportunity, signing some contract, some kind of definitely success, some kind of recognition, some kind of completion. And this can also be travel. So travel for work, travel for love, travel for study. So this can also be that in 7 months you're traveling somewhere, you're going somewhere. So whatever the success is for you, it's coming for you in 7 months. Now this, when I'm saying in 7 months, it is within 7 months. So it can be definitely less than that. Maximum we are talking about 7 over here. And it can also be in weeks as well. It will be different for everybody, because this is a general reading, many people are watching it. So take as it resonates. Now let's see what the angels and ancestors have any guidance for us, what we are supposed to do during this 7 months, during this waiting period. It can be few months, it can be few weeks, but maximum we are talking about 7 months. So only one card we are looking. Moon. Take note of intuitive messages. Yes, you are getting this information. Moon, the Pisces card. You might even have Pisces in your sun, moon, or rising. And the moon is talking. There are moon phases over here. We just had a full moon recently, and the moon phases, the full moon, so new moon. So maybe during a full moon or a new moon, within this 7 months, this success is going to come to you, or you are being called to do the moon rituals as well. Moon rituals are very helpful to manifest anything. So if you are trying to manifest something, then you can definitely write it during the important moon phases. Whatever you want to release, you can write it on the full moon and let it go, release, remove. That the full moon you can do that. And you can when you write, after writing, you can burn the paper. and that is how you release, that is how you remove, that is how you let go, that is how you tell the universe that you are ready to release, you are ready to let go. And during the new moon, you can write what you want to manifest, what you want to grow, what you want in your life, what you want to attract in your life. Write about that in on the new moon, and then you don't need to burn it. You can keep it in your notebook. If you want, you can bury it in the ground, like we are burying a seed to grow, or you can just keep it with you. You don't have to burn that what you're writing on the new moon, whatever you're trying to attract, whatever you're trying to manifest. So whatever your ritual is, you can do that. Moon rituals are very powerful, very helpful, and they definitely work. So especially the release rituals during full moon, so that might be the message for you. And you're also getting the message to take note of any information, any messages, any downloads, any synchronicities, any dream in your dreams. If you're getting any messages in through songs, through these kind of readings, through books, through television, to movies, anywhere you're getting any information, any messages which you feel will help you achieve this success faster, which will make this journey easier for you, take note of that. And definitely this is going to work out for you. 7 months is not a long time, and whatever you're working is definitely going to help you find the success and find the achievement, the recognition, the money, or whatever your goal is in this success. Even a love life, even moving towards your lover, moving countries, moving locations, finding a new job, finding getting admission in your dream university. So whatever the success is coming within 7 months. So congratulations to you. Now let's see if we can get more information from stickers. We are going to add stickers also to this tarot timeline cards, tarot timeline reading, because why not? We are trying to make this reading as flexible as possible, because this is something fun. This is not the serious tarot reading, serious pick a card readings. This is something which is more fun, which is more flexible. Oh, love. You might get a message of love within this 6 months. This is a love and this is a letter. So you might get message from your lover, message from new love, information about new love. Now this can be an actual letter, this can be an email, this can be a card, a greeting card, this can be some gift, or this can also be a text message. So what, take as it resonates. Maybe you are not speaking with them right now, or you have not find this person, and your communication is going to start within the 7 months. So that might be the success which is coming towards you. So take as it resonates. And we got one more love message. Oh my god, my love. So this is a very beautiful coincidence. See, we got 2 love letters over here. So maybe you're going to send a lot of love messages back and forth. Maybe you are actually living in 2 different places, 2 different locations. That's why we got the world card, which also represents travel, which also represents going to another country, relocation. So maybe you are going to communicate with your person, and after 7 months one of you is going to change place, change location, change countries to be with each other. So that might happen, because we have these 2 strong cards of love letters, love messages, which are coming for you. So if you don't have anyone right now, maybe it is going to start through social media, through dating sites, some or the other information is coming, or because these are proper love letters. One says my love, so that is how maybe you will call each other, one of you will call the other. Malaysia might be important for you. You might be living in Malaysia, or you'll move towards Malaysia, or your person might be living there, or you will travel to Malaysia with your person, trick or treat. So maybe during October or during Halloween time this is happening, or or Halloween time will be fun time for you. Maybe when you move with this person, you're going to enjoy some Halloween fun with this person. Horse. Now horse is about freedom. You're going to feel complete free with this person. Horse is also about power, about speed. So you are definitely going to also feel powerful when this success happens, when this change comes, if it is not love, then whatever the success is, it's going to make you feel free, if it's going to make you feel powerful. And deer, now deer is a gentle energy. Deer is gentle, deer is diplomatic, it's mindful, it's very alert. So that might be what the message is coming for you, to be mindful, to be very gentle with your approach, to be alert about any opportunities, anything which is coming in your life, and also to be diplomatic when you're dealing with people, especially if you're dealing with different country people, like if you're trying for your visas or any government approvals or new jobs. Be very diplomatic, be very conscious about what you say and how you deal with, because nowadays everything is very strict. People, employers even check your social media. So be very clear that you are not posting any controversial things on your social media related to politics, related to religion, anything which might be something which you will lose an opportunity, because nowadays employers are very strict about who they welcome in their office, in their company. And if they find somebody being controversial, somebody being like who not being diplomatic, then they might not hire that person. So be very careful, be very diplomatic when you are posting anything about yourself on social media, as well as be very alert of any opportunities which are coming in. Money, yes, you might be getting a good money related opportunity as well. A new job, a new project, maybe you're getting published, you're getting recognized, you're getting a new job, a new offer, a new assignment, something where money is involved. So you might be getting money also. If you're working on something right now, you're preparing for an interview, you're preparing for some exam, you're doing something which is going to work out in your favor, and you're going to get money out of this deal, out of this success. So a very positive sign for you. So you're doing the right thing, be on the right track. December also, or the Christmas time also, might be important for you. Maybe you're going to enjoy a beautiful Christmas period this year. Last year was a bit difficult. October again, we already got Halloween time, and now we got October again. So October, November, December months are definitely important for you. Maybe this success is coming then. Study, you might be actually moving towards a new education opportunity. Maybe you're starting in a new college, in a new university, or you're doing some research, studying with your friends, you're moving to this new location for studies. You may find the love of your life in that new location. So this might also involve studies. Law, this might be related to law. You might be getting into a law school, or there might be some legal aspects which are important for your this success. Maybe you're signing some contracts, signing some deals, some legal procedures you're doing. Maybe you're doing something which requires legal approvals, like taking some visa, taking some approval, signing some agreements, signing some contracts. So some legal aspect is also a part of this success story. This is a tortoise, yes. So slowly and steadily you're moving in the right direction. Don't panic, don't feel that it is not coming for you. This success is coming for you, it is happening for you. This is scholar means spirit has a plan. So definitely spirit has a plan for you. Don't worry, don't be afraid, it is coming for you. Don't panic, spirit has the plan. So whatever you're working on, keep doing it, you will have the success. Swimming, you might be interested in swimming might calm you down, you might enjoy swimming, you might be getting this opportunity because of your swimming skills. Maybe you're getting some kind of sponsorship or some kind of scholarship because you're a very good swimmer. you might be becoming a professional athlete, or you might just enjoy being in water, playing in water, or wherever you're moving might be close to water. A beach location might be close to a lake, a river, some water body might be important in this new location where you're moving. Let your light shine. The moon shines, and this is also telling you to let your light shine. So whatever you're working on right now is going to make you shine, is going to make you stand out, is going to give you the success, the recognition that you're looking for. This can definitely be a romance thing also, or you might find the love of your life, or somebody who you will have a beautiful relationship with when you make this move, when you get this success, after getting this success. Because this is a romantic ride, this is a hot air balloon ride, and it also talks about travel because it is flying. So definitely you may fly to a new location because you got the world after all. Greece, another country, Malaysia, Greece. Reach for the stars. Okay, let your light shine and reach for the stars. So two positive messages for you, that you are going to get the recognition, you are going to get the approval, the success which you are working towards. A special vacation, a romantic vacation, this also might be what is happening for you. We did feel that you are getting involved with someone, or you are interacting with someone, or you are already in a relationship with someone on a long distance, and you are communicating with them, and you might go on a special vacation with them within this 7 months. You might decide to finally meet and go on a special romantic vacation. So that might be coming for you in the next 7 months, within the next 7 months. Capricorn, you or your person might be Capricorn season might be important for you. A beautiful luxurious house, some of you might be manifesting this, a very luxurious, a very beautiful, a big house. Or this can be the place where you will go for vacation, like a B&B, or a luxurious location where people go and hire a whole property, a whole house, or whole place for themselves. So that also might be a possibility, and someone might actually be manifesting a beautiful house. Cow is a very generous animal. So cow talks about generosity, miracles, calm, being positive, being calm. So the universe is telling you to be calm, stay positive. A very generous offer is coming in your life, a very generous relationship, a very sweet, a very miraculous offer or relationship is coming in your life. Yin Yan. So Yin Yan is about, or the koi fish is about Yin Yan. It's about beauty, it's about grace, it's about abundance. This is a symbol of abundance, and it is also about harmony, because it represents the yin yang symbol. And koi fish are very auspicious, actually. They are known for their beauty, grace. So that is what is walking in your life. You may start feeling beautiful, graceful, you might start feeling attractive, because this love is coming in your life, which is going to make you feel like you are beautiful, you are attractive. Because look at how they are looking at each other. They are completely mesmerized with each other's beauty, with each other's looks, with attractiveness. It's not focusing. So your person is going to make you feel very special. So that is what the koi fish represents. And August, so August also might be an important month for you. You may have a birthday in August, because we already have the earth sign over here. We also have Capricorn. Virgos have their birthday in August. So you might have your birthday in August, or you might be a Capricorn, or you even might be a Taurus. So take as this resonates, and I'll start with pile number 2. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for your comments. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Welcome pile number 2 to yet another timeline tarot timeline video. And you might have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in your sun, moon or rising, or you found the fire guardian image calling you towards this reading, or maybe the number or the timestamp. So what we are doing, pile number 2, is we are going to look for one of these success cards. All aces, the sun, the emperor, the empress, wheel of fortune, the chariot, the world. Any of this success cards are going to help us find how many months or how much time is there for us to become successful in anything which you're working on right now, or anything which you're trying to manifest, be it related to career, related to your studies, related to your health, your relationships, your love life, anything which you are currently working on, which is a priority for you and which you are hoping or praying for to have some success in. And the success cards, the cards which will be there to reach the success cards, will be the number of months or weeks which is needed, or which will take time, or which the universe is telling you that hold on, stay, have patience, this much time you will have to wait. And that is the maximum time we are talking about. We are not talking that if in the pile number 1, if the number of months was 7, so we are not talking that maximum 7 months you'll have to wait. It can be less than that as well. We are talking about we are going to see how many months or weeks it's going to take for you, and maximum we are talking about. So whatever the number comes is going to be maximum, and the meaning of these cards don't matter at all. They are just this is a different reading. This is not the typical pick a card reading. This is a tarot timeline reading. This is a bit innovative, bit different reading, which is unique for our channel. We are trying to make something new for you, create something new for you, so that you find variety when you're going through tarot channels, going through tarot readings. You find variety, you find something new to watch. So let's see how many months or weeks it takes for you to find the success that you are looking for. Okay. Queen. Star. No, the star we don't have, but I think star should have also been there. 18. 18 and 19. Okay, so 19 months we are talking of, 18 months we are talking about, because 19 card is the emperor card. So this is our success card. So it is bit longer than we thought, because I was trying to keep this under 18. You know what, I'll give this one more try, but 18 is what we are going to see, what the number has come up for us. So 18 months. So if your project is a big project, because the emperor is someone who has authority, who has established something big, who has done something big, like an entrepreneur. So if it is a big project for you, if something which will take more than a year time, then maybe this is your timeline. This is what, maybe you're finishing a big school year or college year, maybe a big career move, some big opportunity, something big related to your own business. You're becoming an entrepreneur, you're starting a new business, you're starting something new. For that it is 18 months, and we are going to do it one more time, because 18 is a bit longer for other people's. So take as it resonates. Let's see if we can find a shorter time period. If not, then 18 is the time period. Now this can be 18 weeks also for some people, so don't feel bad about it. 18 weeks, 18 months. Some people do definitely need a longer time period to achieve that success, because they are doing something which requires that timeline. 18 is not that difficult, not that bad as well. Let's see if we can find a shorter time period, or 18 is what we already got. 18 months, 18 weeks, within 18 months, within 18 weeks. The Lovers, this is a soulmate card but not a success card, so we can't take that. Yes, we got a shorter time period. So this is 6. So for few it is 18. if it is something which requires a longer time period, so maximum 18 months or 18 weeks for few of you, and for the rest of you it might be 6 months. So 6 months or 6 weeks, so take as it resonates. If it is something which will happen immediately, which doesn't require more than a year time, then definitely within 6 months you're getting that achievement, getting that maybe a new job, a new authority or new position. This can also be related, like in 6 months you're getting a job, a new opportunity, something, and within 18 months you're going to establish an authoritative position in that. You're going to establish a place where you may get a promotion, or you may get some kind of recognition, or some kind of raise, or some kind of approval. Or this might be that you're starting a new project, and within 6 months, a new career, you're starting to write a book, you're starting to do some creative work, something which you're starting within 6 months, and within 18 months, and after that within 18 months you're going to get achievement, get recognized, get published, or get something big, because emperor is a very big card. It's a major arcana card even, and it is something which have established it is about establishing authority, it is about having a powerful position. So take as that resonates. For few it might be 6 months, for the other it might be 18 months. Different things need different time, so whatever your priority is, whatever your timeline is, but this is the maximum time period which we were looking for. It can be in weeks also for few people. And now we are going to look for an oracle message, see if we can get some oracle guidelines for it, like some message, some guidelines, some information, what to do while we are working on a project, while we are waiting for this success to happen. Make plans and focus. Yes, this is something related to career, intelligence, something where your skills are required, something where your intelligence is required, where your thinking is required. So you're being called to make plans and focus. So be it 6 months, be it 18 months, be it 6 weeks, be it 18 weeks, whatever you're trying to achieve needs a lot of planning, needs a lot of focus, dedication, timetable, a fixed structure, because emperor has a solid structure. They have a solid dedicated timetable. They wake up early, they do spend time on their own physical health, they exercise, they have fixed timetables to do whatever they want to do, they have fixed schedules, they follow a very strict routine, and that is how they maintain a successful lifestyle, and they achieve one after the other success. To achieve success in any kind of career, to establish a new authoritative position in any field, to rise up a business, to start a business, to start an enterprise, to become an entrepreneur, you need a kind of structured lifestyle, you need a kind of discipline. So that is what is coming up for you. Make plan, be disciplined, be focused towards your goal. It is coming for you. For few it will be within 6 months, for the others it will be within 18 months. Take as it resonates. 18 is not a very long time period. A year pass away is very soon. So whatever is coming for you will come within 6 months or 18 months, or whatever the success you're working on. Take as it resonates for you. I gave you 2 timelines because I thought some people will find 18 a very longer time period if they are close to their achievement. For those I tried to find another timeline. So let's see if we can get more information from the stickers. Dream big. Yes, an emperor dreams big, an entrepreneur dreams big. Nobody who is and no entrepreneur will be a small dreamer or a small visionary. A entrepreneur has to be a visionary, has to be someone who wants more and more from their life, who wants to do more. They are not satisfied with a day-to-day job. So maybe you're that kind of person. This is about looking at the positive side. Dolphin is also about focusing on the silver lining, the positivity. So if you feel that something is not happening as it should happen, or you're finding some kind of obstacles or some kind of difficulties, then dolphin is telling you to focus on the positive aspects of it, because finally it is going to work for you. No, nothing worth achieving comes easily. Everything has a climbing up or difficult period to go, right, to achieve that success. So dolphin is telling you to focus on the positivity, to be playful while you're working, not only work, also consider playing. This also talks about the silver lining, the soulmate. So you might be manifesting your soulmate as well. England, your person, or this opportunity, your business, something might be related to England. Malaysia, this came in pile number 1 as well. Spain. So these are the countries that might be important for you. You might do business with them, you might move towards these countries, you might be living in them, you might have someone important in these countries, maybe your person. Come on, United States. So we got a lot of countries for you. Your dream wedding, maybe this is something, dream, twice we got dream. Maybe this is something which will help you achieve some kind of status, some kind of financial stability, which will help you have a dream wedding, which will help you have a luxurious wedding, a destination wedding, something which will be which people will not be able to forget. An unforgettable honeymoon. Wow, so this might be something related to love as well, or not only career. Emperor. When I saw the emperor card, I felt that it is something related to career, but the stickers are all mostly coming up as love, for love. So it might be something related to love as well, because we have the soulmate card also over here, soulmate sticker also over here. Online money, so you might be dealing into something online. This job, this business might be something online. You might be meeting your person online. Virgo, this came in pile number 1 as well. So you or your person might be Virgo. You might have Virgo in your sun, moon, or rising. Wow, eagle is about rising above. Eagle is about being a leader. So definitely as a emperor, you are definitely early bringing in this energy of leadership. It is also talking about rising above your obstacles. It is talking about wisdom, it is talking about courage, it is talking about soaring high. So you might be actually flying towards multiple locations, toward multiple countries, soaring above your obstacles, going above your whatever troubles are currently in your field, in your path. You are definitely soaring above them, you are rising above them. And a romantic connection is also coming towards you. So this might be both career as well as romance, engagement. Wow, we have this entire marriage theme over here: engagement, dream wedding, unforgettable honeymoon. So we have this 2, 3, and this might be 4. So we have this in line, we have this engagement, dream wedding, and unforgettable honeymoon. So this might be something which you are manifesting in 6 months or in 18 months. You might get engaged in 6 months and get married in 18 months. So that might be something which the timeline was about. Maybe you are manifesting the entrepreneur in your life, maybe you are manifesting the emperor in your life, someone who's financially stable, someone who's a leader in their field, someone who has an authoritative position. Cancer, you or your person might be Cancer or have Cancer in their sun, moon, or rising. We have Pisces as well. Pisces, a trip abroad. Wow, look at this. We got so many countries, we got unforgettable honeymoon, and now we got a trip abroad. So definitely something related to flying, something related to visiting multiple countries, an unforgettable honeymoon. Maybe you are moving abroad, maybe you are traveling to multiple countries, multiple locations. Halloween, so Halloween might be a time where you will have a lot of fun. Maybe Halloween theme might be important for you in whatever you're doing. Maybe get engaged during Halloween, or get married during that time, or have a very fun Halloween with your person, or something in Halloween you might have fun. Now a cat spirit is very nice actually. It is the spirit of independence, fierce confidence. A cat is some a cat is a small animal, but they are very confident, they are very independent. They don't like being tied, they don't like being uh, controlled, they don't listen to any kind of commands. They are their own, like, free spirit. They are like the emperor, like the entrepreneur, who don't or follow orders, right? They are their own boss. So that is the kind of energy which I can feel. So independent, fierce, confident, strict boundaries, allowing space, healthy self-respect, self-worth, dignity, that kind of energies which I can see in you and your person. Now this is also about floating. So this is about free flowing, floating, about any problems. These both animals, they float. This floats in the sky, this floats on the ocean, and they just glide, they just be one with the energies of the universe. They are not struggling, they are very peaceful, they are just going with the flow. So that is the energy which I can feel in coming towards you or coming in your life. Romantic rides, you might go on romantic rides, maybe when you're visiting these beautiful countries, traveling, going on a trip abroad. Japan, another country we got. Wow, another travel or romantic trip or romantic vacation kind of symbol over here. Hot air balloon rides, which are very sweet, very romantic, and they are definitely not cheap. So the person you're going to marry or the person you're inviting in definitely is not only an entrepreneur, but also very, like, very well established, very successful, financially stable, someone who can afford such kind of things. Unforgettable honeymoon, dream wedding, dream picnics, a trip abroad, who can afford all these things. So that kind of energy, or maybe you're stepping into this kind of energy within 18 months. So this person, the male in this relationship, might have facial hair, might have dark brown or light brown hair. May or number 5, you might be seeing a lot of 555, or you might have your birthday in May or your person's birthday in May. Do what makes you happy, that is the suggestion from universe to you. Another country, France, we have multiple countries for you. July, number 777, you might be seeing a lot, or the number July. Flamingo. So flamingo spirit is about balance, it's about grace, it's about beauty. Flamingo is a, a very beautiful bird, right? They have this way of balance, of delicateness, of beauty. So that is how you are going to feel balanced, graceful, beautiful within 6 months, or during this wedding season when you're getting married. You're going to feel very beautiful, very graceful. If you're a man, you're going to feel very confident, very well balanced, very well stable. Music might be important for you. You or your person might be into music. So these are the messages which are coming for you. Pile number 2, I was a bit worried when it was coming, like when I went above 18 months, when it was going above 18 months, and I thought that when the success card is going to come, I was a bit worried, but maybe that was important for you, and we did another timeline so that we have another option as well. For few it might be within 6 months, for the other it might be within 8 months, for some it might be 6 months as well as 18 months. So take as it resonates, because different kind of success, different kind of achievements need different kind of timelines, and 18 months is not that long time at all. If you're trying to achieve something big, if you're trying to make something big, because an entrepreneur is a very emperor is a very big energy, it's a positive energy, it might take a more time than you think about. So 1.5 year is not that long time at all, and we are talking about maximum. We are not talking about minimum. We are talking that within 18 months you're going to get that achievement, or within 6 months. Take as it resonates, and do let me know what you think about these kind of readings. Do you enjoy the tarot timeline readings? Because they are a bit unique, they are a bit different than the other pick a card readings, and I'm trying to bring in variety. I'm trying to bring in creativity in my readings, so that you will find it entertaining, and something which may bring some additional messages and suggestions to you. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your subscriptions, and I hope you enjoyed the reading. I'll see you in my next one. Welcome pile number 3 to another tarot timeline video. If you skipped the intro, let me just explain this in brief. We are looking for one of these success cards: all aces, sun, the emperor, the empress, wheel of fortune, the chariot, the world. So any of these success cards are going to help us understand how long it will take us for to achieve the success that we are looking forward. Now this can be in your personal life, this can be in your career, this can be in your health, anything, whatever is important for you, whatever is a priority for you, whatever you're working on, and whatever you're hoping to achieve success in. We are going to see how much time is going to take for you in months or in weeks. And you might have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in your sun, moon or rising, or you found this water guardian image attractive, or maybe the number or even the timeline which called out to you. So let's see how many time and how much months and how many weeks it will take for you to find success. If it goes above 18 months, I'm going to do again, because I want to just see the current energies, not the energies which are more than 1.5 years, because I'm looking only into the current energies. So let's see how fast this success comes in your life. The meanings of these cards don't matter. We are only looking for these 11 cards, one of these 11 cards: all aces, the sun, the emperor, empress, wheel of fortune, the chariot, the world, any of those 6 cards. And if it goes above 18, I'm going to do again. I'm going to do the shuffling again. I'm going to find the timeline again, because we are only looking at the current readings. This is a soulmate card, but we are looking for the success card. Wow, yes, we got it. Ace of Cups. This is also a soulmate card, but this is also a success card, and we got the lovers as well. So maybe that is your success. So this is 12. So within 12 months, that is a year. So within 12 months, within 12 weeks, you are getting this success. And this is about new love. Ace of Cups is new love. Ace of Cups is a new opportunity in love, something you love doing, something you're passionate about. So maybe this might also be a field of career, a field of project interest, like a passion project, like writing a song, writing a book, singing, music, something which you enjoy doing. That also might be what you're looking for success in, or it might actually be love as well, because we got the lovers and the Ace of Cups. So maybe you are going to get a success within 1 year, within 12 months, within 12 weeks, in something. Oh god, where did my success cards go? Within 12 weeks, success in some field, maybe related to love, or related to a project or a career which is close to your heart, which you are passionate about. Now let's see what the angels and ancestors have to say about this waiting period, that any guidance they have for you. Release the old and rest. Autumn. So you might be getting this in the autumn months, because 1 year means not exactly 1 year, within 1 year. So maybe this success which you're looking for might be coming during the autumn months, or something related to Canada, because this talks about Canada to me. These maple leaves, they always represent Canada to me. Your ancestors are guides are with you. The crow, the raven, the crow is about ancestral spirit guides, co-creating with spirit. So your ancestral guides are helping you out. They are guiding you. They are going to be with you during your quest towards this success, during your journey towards this success, and they are going to guide you what you need to do. So if you see a crow, if you hear a crow or see a crow, then do remember that the ancestral spirits are around you. That can be a sign how you are getting some kind of information, some kind of downloads from the universe, and you're being called to release the old. So whatever the old is, whatever, maybe an old relationship, maybe an old career, an old thought pattern, an old habit, something which is holding you back, which is creating some kind of rigidity in you, you need to let it go and rest. You are also being called to rest. So maybe you don't sleep early, maybe you don't take proper care of your health, you are not eating well, or you're not resting well, because you're getting that information to rest, you're getting that information to remove whatever your old thought pattern or old habits or old patterns are, and to try to be more mindful, to try to be more healthy, because this is coming, this success is coming, be it in your career, be it in your personal life, be it in your love life, be it in a passion project, be in your career. This success is coming within 1 year, within 12 weeks as well for few people. So you need to rest for it. You need to be mentally and physically prepared for this which is coming up, because whatever new comes up needs energy from you, be it love, be it a career, be it an opportunity, be signing up for a new college, getting admission in a new college, getting a new job. Whatever new opportunity is coming for you will definitely need energy from you, will need time and energy from you, and for that you need to rest, for that you need to take care of your health, take care of your mindset, take care of your body, and be strong, be healthy, be ready before this walks in, before this energy, before this opportunity comes in. So that is what the message is for you, and your ancestral spirits are there with you. Sorry, not this. Now we are going to check the stickers to get more information about this opportunity, this love, this project, this career, this admission, whatever is coming. We are going to check few stickers and try to see what extra messages are coming. A better career. Wow, we did feel that a new career might be an opportunity, a new opportunity is coming for you, a better career, something which you will love, because you got the Ace of Cup, and cup is all about love, about emotions, about feeling. So maybe you're getting an opportunity in your dream career, a better career is coming for you. You might be interested in working with animals, a veterinarian, you might be a vet, or you might be interested in becoming a vet, you might be interested in joining medical college. So that might be something which will help you get the better career. Something related to swimming, this might be a way you can get your body healthier by swimming, or maybe you are moving towards a new location which is close to water. Germany might be important for you. You might be getting an opportunity, a career, an admission in a college in Germany, in a job in Germany. Crown, I am. Your crown chakra needs attention, and your mantra is I am. Whatever you want to say in front of I am. I am happy, I am healthy, I am wise, I am prosperous, I am rich. Whatever you want to put in front of I am, that is your mantra, that is your affirmation. It is a very powerful mantra. Whenever you say I am, and whatever you say in front of it always works in your favor, always comes true. I am is a very powerful mantra. Stingray. Now stingray is about going with the flow. It's about floating with the universe. It's about trusting the universe, about going with the flow. Denmark. So Denmark might be another country which you might be interested in. Everything is flying. Please, please, please stay, please stay. You might have light hair, light skin, or maybe the new love which is coming in your life might have light hair, light skin. Music might be important for you. Fishing, so we got swimming, we got fishing, so something related to water body, ocean, river, lake, something where water body, the location, a location where a water body is prominent, a water body is well known. Bat, seeing in the dark, believing that there is a new opportunity coming in. Bat is about rebirth, bat is about permanent changes, bat is about darkness will be eliminated. This is chameleon is about acting as if, embracing change. Change will be beneficial for you, so a big change is coming for you. Autumn is also a change in the season, so a big change is coming for you within this what was it, 6 months. Within this 6 months a big change is coming for you. It was 6, right? I don't remember, I'm sorry. Another music symbol, we got 2 music symbols, so music might be something which is very prominent for you. A dog, so a dog is about loyalty, unconditional love. So if this is about new love, then it is about loyalty, unconditional love. It is about being very protective. It is about good fortune. It is about commitment. If it is related to career, then you will find a job where you will be happy to be like be happy to be a team of, be happy in that environment. You will find stability, protection, abundance, luck in that new energy. If it is a job, a beautiful house, so this might be something which you are manifesting. This might be your success, getting a beautiful house. Bank, so you might be getting a job in a bank, or you might be applying for some kind of loan which will get cleared, which will get approved, or you might be building a very strong, powerful bank balance. A blossoming love life, so this might be your success, because we got the Ace of Cups after all. Piggy bank, or pig is about abundance, and we got the actual bank as well, so definitely something related to bank is coming. Your dream job, we got a better career and we got your dream job, so this might be a job opportunity, this might be a career opportunity of few of you. For few of you it might be related to love, and it might also be both. For very few, both as well. This is about taking care of minor issues, taking care of small issues, seeing that you're not leaving any loose ends, especially if you're applying for new jobs. Take care of every small documentation, every small details they ask about, they talk about. Money, yes, money is something which is prominent in your pile. We got the piggy bank, we got the bank, we got now this big sack of money here. So this might be a very lucrative job offer which you're getting. A cute baby, some might actually be manifesting getting pregnant or having a baby, or you might be getting a baby in your family, your siblings, your somebody in your family might be having a baby. Number 11, so you might be seeing a lot of 11 11 111, or November might be important for you. So autumn we already have, so November might be a month where you will achieve this manifestation. This is shed your old skin, this is letting go, which this card talks about, release the old and rest. So you're being told, you're being called to shed your old patterns, shed your old skin, let go of anything old which is dragging you down, which is pulling you down. Camera, so you might be interested in something where camera is required. Your job might be something where a camera is needed, maybe in front of camera, maybe photography, maybe something which where you work with a camera, or you are in front of a camera. So horse, so the horse is about freedom, it's about power, it's about speed. So this job is going to make you feel powerful. This position, this opportunity is going to make you feel free. Even if it is a person who's coming in your life, then they are going to make you feel free and powerful. They are not going to be someone who is going to dominate you. A new fur baby, we already have the veterinarian, and we have a cute baby. So maybe you are getting an actual baby or a fur baby. Take as it resonates. A fur baby will bring, and we have the dog as well. So maybe you are actually getting a dog. So a dog is also someone who brings a lot of love, a lot of happiness in your life. So that might be what you are bringing in. That might be a success for you, and you might be, or you might be becoming a veterinarian. Another house, so we got this two house symbols, and this is a very luxurious house. So you might be manifesting a very luxurious house. Capricorn, you or your person might be Capricorn. Capricorn season might be important for you. Another dog card. So your person, a very romantic, fun atmosphere, and a dog. So a dog is something which is going to create a lot of happiness in your life. Something related to a dog. You might be working with dogs. You might be interested in rescuing dogs. Dogs will bring in happiness and success and luck in your life. If you're trying to find a place to donate money, time, volunteer somewhere, then do work with animal shelters, because dogs are something which are going to bring in lot of luck, happiness. Maybe you may find your person when you are doing something for pets, doing something for dogs. You might be starting a business which is related to pets, which is related to dog. And when we talk about pets, we got the cat as well. So cat is a fierce, independent, and a fiercely confident energy. A cat is an energy which demands healthy self-respect, healthy self-worth, dignity, allowing space, strict boundaries. So that kind of energy is coming in when we look at a cat. So something related to pets. A pet's fish, cat, dog, chameleon, horse, pigs, mouse also. Some people have mice, some people have hamsters, birds. So some animals are very prominent in your pile. Fish again, dolphin, and dolphin, although it's not a fish, it's a mammal, right? I am not correct me if I'm wrong, but dolphin is a very playful spirit. It has similar energies like a dog. Playful, positive, focusing on silver lining. This also talks about soulmate. So something related to animal. Maybe you're working for animals, you're working to help animals. You might be even a vegan who is very passionate about helping animals. Sagittarius, or your person has these energies. Music might be important for you. True love, so this also might be your success. True love might also be your manifestation. A budding relationship, yes, I picked a lot of stickers for you. Pile number 3. Christmas time might be important for you. We already have the autumn, November, and now even December. So December might be a time when you're manifesting all this. February, now this is fertility. We already have a cute baby. So if you're trying for a baby, if you're trying for a child, then this is a positive sign for you. Fertility, this rabbit is about fertility. A rabbit is about luck. It's about fast speed. It is gentle, it is soft, it is sweet, it is and it is very fast as well. So something which is coming very fast towards you. And we have another house symbol, a new house. Now this can't be a coincidence, right? We have house, a new house, and we have this luxurious house. So someone is definitely manifesting their dream house. So this is what kind of success which is coming for you. Do let me know if any of this resonates with you. I will definitely like to know that what kind of success you are trying to manifest, what kind of abundance, what kind of manifestation you're working towards. It can be love, it can be career. We got all kind of messages. There are many people who are watching these readings. Everybody will have different priorities in their life. Some might be manifesting everything which we saw, which is amazing. Dogs, animals, pets might be very important for you. So take as this resonates, and do let me know what you think about these readings, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you again for being here. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for your shares. I'll see you in my next one. Welcome pile number 4 to yet another tarot timeline video. And if you have skipped the intro, if you have not seen this kind of video before on my channel, then let me tell you what this reading is going to be like. See, we are looking for one of these 11 cards. There are 11 cards over here, all aces: the Sun, the Emperor, the Empress, Wheel of Fortune, the Chariot, and the World. So these are the cards which we are looking for. We have shuffled the tarot deck. I'm going to shuffle again, and we are going to count how many cards it takes us to reach one of these cards, and that many months are there. For that many months are the maximum months which you will which is there for you to achieve any kind of success you're looking for. So this might be in your love, this might be in your relationships, in your career, in your health, in anything which is a priority for you right now, which you're working towards, which you're trying to achieve, any kind of success which you're working towards. How much time it's going to take for you to reach that success. So for that we are doing this reading. It is a bit different reading. It is not like the normal pick a card reading. The meaning of the cards don't matter in this reading. It is a bit innovative, bit creative reading, for which I wanted to bring in my channel, so that you get some kind of variety different than the normal pick a card readings. If you don't enjoy these kind of readings, there are ton of pick a card readings from other channels as well as my channel as well, so you can go to the regular pick a card readings as well. And if you want to see what this new thing is, just give it a try. It is fun, it is light-hearted, it is not as serious as the regular pick a card readings. And what we are doing is we are going to see how much time or how many months it takes us to reach one of the success cards. If it goes more than 18 months, then I'm going to try again, because I'm looking only into the current energies and not more than 18 months at all. So let's see how many months it takes for us to reach your success card, to reach your success story. We are going to also check oracle cards, and we are going to check one oracle card for guidance, and we are going to check stickers for further information. So the meaning of these cards don't matter. We are just going to count them, and if it goes beyond 18, we are going to do the timeline again. Okay, let's see when you will get the success you are looking for, whatever success you are working on. And sorry, you might be an air sign. You might have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in your sun, moon, or rising, or you might have found this image attractive. We got your success card right away, very quickly. Wonderful. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 months, 7 weeks. Within 7 months, within 7 weeks, you are going to achieve the success which you were trying for. And this Wheel of Fortune, the Wheel of Fortune card is about complete change, right? It is like 360-degree change, a complete new cycle, a new beginning, good luck, karmic reward, life cycle, destiny, a turning point in your life. That is what is coming for you within 7 months. So whatever you're trying for, be it studies, because we have books on this card, so maybe you are trying to apply for job, apply for some colleges, some universities. Maybe you'll get admission in that, or you'll move towards that, move and start studying in those colleges, and that is going to bring a big change in your life. It is a turning point in your life. It is going to change your life for good. Maybe an intellectual thing which is happening. Maybe you're shedding your old skin, your old pattern, starting something new, a new job, a new position, a new location, a new partner, new love. So whatever this new change is happening is going to be a turning point in your life. It's going to bring in the kind of energy, the kind of love you need, the kind of happiness you require. So that is the success which is coming for you within 7 months, 7 weeks. 7 is a very lucky number. Good, we found it within 18 months, or else I would have had to do it again. Wheel of Fortune, nice card. Now let's see what the angel and ancestors have to tell you. See beyond the current situation. Okay, maybe you are keeping your eyes closed. Maybe you're not looking at the new opportunities. You're not applying for the colleges you want to try for. You're not applying for the jobs you want. You're not taking the efforts. Maybe you are feeling that you're not good enough. Maybe you're feeling you're not prepared. Maybe you're feeling that you will not get that success. But this card is telling you to see beyond the current situation. Currently you might be feeling that, but within 7 months, maybe in the future, that is not going to be your reality. It is going to change. There is a 360-degree change, a turning point which is coming in your life. So you need to trust in the universe. You need to trust in yourself. You need to remove this whatever is keeping your eyes closed. You need to open your eyes towards the new opportunities, towards whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to bring in. If you're feeling that you're not good enough, if you're feeling that you don't have the confidence or the intelligence or the ability to achieve that, then this card is telling you no. Maybe currently you don't feel prepared, but you have time. You can go do it. You can achieve that. You just need to trust yourself and work towards it. So whatever studies, whatever research, whatever preparation you need to do to achieve that, the universe is nudging you to do it. The universe is telling you that see beyond your current situation, see beyond what you currently have, do whatever you can do in whatever position you are, wherever you are, because in future your life is going to change completely. In future there is a big change, a wheel of fortune coming for you. A wheel of fortune is going to rotate in your favor. Something, a big happening, a big change is definitely coming in your life, and you need to trust in the universe. You need to trust in yourself, and you need to work towards it. So see beyond your current situation and think positively. Be optimistic about whatever is happening in your life and prepare for it. Prepare with positive mind. Prepare with the way that you will get that opportunity. You will get that success. It is going to happen for you. In that way you should prepare for it. Now let's see if we can get some more information from the stickers about what you're trying to achieve, about what you're not seeing. Generosity. This is being calm. So you're being told to be calm. If you're feeling panicked, if you're feeling anxiety, if you're feeling that you're not good enough, you are not going to achieve it, so this animal spirit is telling you to be calm. It is going to happen in your life. It is coming. That opportunity is coming. A miracle is coming. This is also about miracles. So miracles are going to come in your life. And this is also telling you to be generous. Be generous with your time. Be generous with your money, with your energies. Don't feel that you don't have enough or you are not good enough. That kind of feeling should not be in your life, because you're achieving a big change in your life. A big success in your life is coming. April. So April or number 4 might be important for you. You might be seeing a lot of 444. You might have birthday in April. You might move towards this or take some positive action in April. Photography. This might be important for you. You might be in front of a camera, or you might want to be in front of a camera, or you want to work with camera. You want to be a professional photographer. That might be something which you want to achieve. Now 11. So you might be seeing a lot of 11, 11, 111, or November might be important for you. You're brilliant. This is another confirmation. If you think you're not good enough, if you think that you can't achieve it, then the universe is telling you no, you're brilliant, you are smart enough, you are good enough, you can get what you are trying to achieve. You just need to trust yourself and work towards it. A budding relationship, this might be something which you are attracting, which you are trying to manifest, which is coming in your life. Maybe this is coming along with the career opportunity or the education opportunity. This came in almost all piles. Swimming, so swimming might be something which will make you feel relaxed. Swimming might be something which will help you connect with your positive aspects, positive side. Or you might be moving towards a location where a water body is important, water body is prominent. See, we can see water over here, a surprise engagement. So this might be something, a budding relationship, a surprise engagement, a lake, an ocean, a river, a water body might be something which is important in your life, where you live or where your person lives, or you're moving towards this. So a lake or water body, maybe you're getting engaged to near a lake, near a ocean. A surprise engagement may be coming in your life. Maybe your person is planning an engagement and you don't know about it. You might have a lot of sweet romantic time with your person. Maybe this is a future person because it is a budding relationship. So Netflix and chill energy, you might be getting that sweet romantic one-to-one time with your person. Sagittarius, we have November and Sagittarius. So you or your person might be Sagittarius, or November season might be important. Sagittarius season might be important for you towards this achievement, towards this success. Solar, I can win. This is your affirmation, I can win. Solar chakra, I can win. Yes, you can. You need to be confident about yourself. You need to be confident that you will achieve this success. Throat spirit, I speak truth. Another affirmation for you. So whatever you say, what if you say that I'm not good enough, I will never get that job, I will never get that admission, I will never get my true love. If you're saying these kind of things, you need to be very careful what you're speaking, because your throat chakra is being activated right now. So whatever you're speaking will come into reality. So only speak positive things. So only speak, yes, you can get it, yes, you can do it, yes, you will get that success, yes, you will achieve that. Only be very positive. Another positive sign for you, you can do it, you can do it. Coffee might be something which you love, enjoy. Your person may enjoy coffee a lot. You may go on a coffee date with this person. You are in a one in a million. One in a million, a funny way to say one in a million. This is the universe trying to give you more assurance, more confidence that you're one in a million. Don't worry, you will achieve what you're trying to achieve. A house, you might be trying to manifest a house. A house might be a way, you will consider yourself successful if you have your dream house. Snake, you're also being called to shed your old patterns, old thinking patterns, old habits, old self-sabotaging behavior. So shed whatever is old, whatever is not important in your life, whatever is currently holding you back. You're being called to shed that old skin. A romantic date, so we have this theme going on about a nice romantic time period which you will spend with your person. Maybe have a nice romantic engagement, a date, a budding relationship. Tons of cash. So this might be something which you are tensed about, that maybe that education or that relocation needs a lot of money. The universe tells you, don't worry, it is going to work out for you. You might get the loan which you're looking for, you might get the money which you're looking for, you might get an opportunity where you make tons of cash. So don't worry. A study sign is also there. So I did feel that you are trying to apply for a university or a new job, a new career, definitely. So study, research, career, something that aspect is also coming. A successful career, whatever new career you're joining in will be successful for you, will work out for you. Crown chakra, I am, which we already spoke about, right, when we said that be very careful what you talk about. So I am is also a very powerful mantra. So always say positive things whenever you say I am rich, I am successful, I am powerful, I am positive, I am happy, I am healthy, I am wise, I will get this dream job, this dream person, this dream location, this dream career. Another, this is a coffee date. So another coffee symbol and a date symbol. So this is a coincidence that it came together. So you may go on coffee dates or dinner dates. This also looks like they are having breakfast in their own home, in their own place. So you may even move in with this person. Love letter or a love message. So this may start as a long distance relationship. You will send letters to each other, messages to each other. This message was there in pile number 1 as well. A complete transformation. Yes, we did see that you're going to get a 360-degree change, a big change. A big transformation is coming in your life. A complete transformation is coming in your life. Malaysia, you might be moving towards Malaysia, or this person might be from Malaysia, or you might be from Malaysia. A flamingo, this is about grace, beauty, balance. That is what is coming in your life. Music, so guitar, you or your person might be a musician, might know how to play guitar, might love music. March, so we have March this month and April. So something is happening in this month. Maybe you're applying for these jobs, for these opportunities, for this universities in March. A dream wedding. So we have this theme of romance also. So we have a career theme and we have a wedding theme, a romance theme. So take as it resonates for you. Different people will have different priorities in your life, in your life right now. Different things happening. So for some it might be both things happening, a new job as well as a new relationship. So a story over here, which I can see in the stickers: a budding relationship, moving in together, going on dates, surprise engagement, and then the dream wedding. So a beautiful story is coming up. We have this Netflix and chill as well, which is another moving in, staying together, living together kind of sticker which is coming for you. So take as this resonates. Do let me know what you think about these readings, and if you find these readings helpful. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all the subscriptions and all the comments. I am really humbled with all the support I'm getting from you guys, and I will try to make as many as informative and entertaining videos for you as possible. And I hope these help you, and see you in my next one.